So if you like fidgets and you like my animals, then this is the channel for you. Enjoy! What's up, going unicorn fans? Before you watch this video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, smash the subscribe button, and click the bell for notifications. Today, we're continuing the series, and we're going to see if I have 20 orange fidgets. So let's go! Alright, so let's turn this light on. It's a little dark. That's better. Okay, so in here I have an orange poppet, so 1, 2, do I not have any more? Okay then, so 2 in that drawer. Let's see in here. 3. One of my DIY button bunnies. 4. Look at how cute. 5. This is gonna be easy. 5. 6. 10. Maybe not. I'm scared. Oh no. I fell off this. They just went off. Fix that later. So I'm still at. Oh, I'm at 6. Oh yeah, yeah. I'm thinking. So 6. Oh, 7. 7. Oh, I know I have some orange emojis. Maybe it's not going to be so easy. I thought it would. Maybe not. Okay, so let's look in here. 8. 9, 10, 11, 11, yeah, 12. It looks yellow, but it's orange. 13, 14, 15, 16, and I have some orange in here. So 16. Oh. 17. 18. 19. And 19. 19. Please, I need one more. Hold on. 1 minute. And 20. And I don't have any more, so I have exactly 20 orange fidgets. So, see you guys next time. Bye, guys.